G'day and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode we are talking about the securing screw available for the front park light and indicator assemblies on a Classic Mini Clubman. Now these are only available for a Classic Mini Clubman at the front of the vehicle. So per indicator or park lamp assembly, you do require two of these small screws. They are just a general Phillips head screw, and there are required two per side at the front of the vehicle. So if you're looking to replace a globe or you're looking to upgrade, you're definitely going to have to remove these to remove the plastic cover on there to be able to get it off, to be able to get access to the globe. Now, being a Phillips head over time, if it hasn't been touched in a good 15, 20 plus years, you probably find that it starts to round off and they're a bit of a pain to be able to remove. So while you got it off, if it is a pain, throw them over your left shoulder, chuck it in the bin, go and upgrade, get two per indicator assembly at the front of your Classic Mini Clubman. While you're there, keep a couple of spare in your toolbox and replace them while you're at it. Make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you again on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.